QuickBooks versus Xero, a deep dive into modern accounting software solutions. The landscape of accounting software has evolved dramatically in recent years, offering professionals an array of tools designed to streamline financial processes. With platforms like QuickBooks and Xero leading the charge, accountants are presented with robust solutions that cater to both small businesses and larger enterprises. Choosing between these two popular options requires careful consideration of features, scalability, user experience, and cost structures. This comparison aims to provide clarity by examining key aspects such as functionality, integration capabilities, customer support, pricing models, and overall value proposition. Evaluating core functionalities at their core, both QuickBooks and Xero serve similar purposes but differ significantly in execution. QuickBooks offers extensive customization through its platform, allowing users to tailor workflows according to specific business needs. On the other hand, Xero prioritizes simplicity while ensuring essential functions remain accessible without unnecessary complexity. Xero's interface is often praised for being intuitive, making it particularly appealing to those who may not have prior experience with complex financial systems. Conversely, QuickBooks provides advanced modules tailored toward more intricate bookkeeping tasks, which can be advantageous for professional accountants handling diverse client portfolios. Customization options. QuickBooks excels here due to its wide range of customizable reports and dashboards. Users can create custom fields, automate repetitive tasks, and even develop bespoke integrations using APIs. User-friendly design. Xero's clean layout reduces learning curves significantly. Its drag-and-drop invoice creation feature simplifies transaction entries, enhancing productivity across teams working remotely or locally. Pricing models and value propositions. Differentiating factors also emerge when considering pricing strategies employed by each service provider. QuickBooks employs a tiered model where costs increase based on usage levels and additional services required from Intuit Incorporated, whereas Xero opts for predictable monthly subscriptions regardless of scale or feature utilization. This approach makes Xero especially attractive for startups aiming at budget predictability since they won't face unexpected charges related to extra reporting needs during high-volume periods. However, seasoned practitioners might find value in QuickBooks Premium offerings if their practice demands specialized features beyond basic accounting functions. Basic packages. Both include fundamental functionalities like invoicing, expense tracking, payroll management, etc. Yet, Xero's base package tends to offer slightly fewer customization avenues compared to what QuickBooks delivers under equivalent plans. Scalable add-ons. As organizations grow, accessing add-ons becomes crucial. QuickBooks allows adding various extensions via third-party apps available within its ecosystem, while Xero facilitates access through direct partnerships with select vendors known for quality assurance standards. User experience and interface analysis. The design philosophy behind each application influences daily interactions considerably. While some prefer clutter-free environments promoting efficiency, others benefit from detailed controls enabling fine-tuned operations. Understanding these preferences helps determine which system aligns better with individual work styles or team dynamics. QuickBooks utilizes color-coded indicators throughout its dashboard, providing quick visual cues regarding outstanding payments, pending approvals, and upcoming deadlines. Such elements aid in prompt decision-making processes amidst tight schedules typical among busy professionals. Visual clarity. The use of contrasting colors enhances readability. However, excessive reliance could potentially overwhelm new users unfamiliar with interpreting status symbols effectively. Simplicity versus complexity. Although visually engaging, there remains room for improvement concerning how seamlessly novice users adapt without extensive training sessions dedicated solely to navigation techniques. Integration capabilities with third-party tools. A critical aspect influencing adoption rates involves compatibility with external applications commonly used alongside primary accounting suites. Seamless data flow ensures accuracy and consistency across departments reliant upon shared information sources. Thus, evaluating current tech stacks before choosing either solution proves beneficial. Both platforms boast impressive connections with numerous online services ranging from e-commerce marketplaces to project management systems. However, depth of integration varies depending on whether you prioritize native app development versus leveraging cloud-based middleware solutions offered separately. Native integrations. QuickBooks maintains strong ties with Shopify, PayPal, Square, and several banking institutions through direct API links facilitating automatic reconciliation procedures efficiently. Middleware partnerships. In contrast, Xero collaborates extensively with Zapier and Make, formerly Integromat, empowering users to build custom automation sequences connecting disparate digital assets together effortlessly. Customer support ecosystems. Reliable technical assistance plays a pivotal role whenever encountering roadblocks impacting workflow continuity. Availability of live chat support. Knowledge bases filled with troubleshooting guides, video tutorials explaining step-by-step procedures become vital resources worthy of evaluation criteria. Intuit backs up QuickBooks with round-the-clock helpline services accessible globally plus comprehensive documentation addressing common queries frequently encountered by end users. Meanwhile, Xero emphasizes community-driven forums alongside expert-led webinars scheduled periodically throughout calendar year. Live support. For urgent matters requiring immediate attention, having real-time communication channels proved indispensable during peak seasons marked by heightened activity volumes affecting regular processing timelines severely. Customer community. Engaging actively within peer networks fosters collaborative problem-solving approaches. Beneficial long-term adaptation phases where evolving regulatory landscapes necessitate constant updates aligned industry best practices. Data security protocols. In today's digitally driven economy, safeguarding sensitive financial records against cyber threats constitutes non-negotiable priority. Employing encryption technologies combined with multi-factor authentication layers adds protective barriers preventing unauthorized intrusions threatening integrity and confidentiality. Assurances promised clients entrusted managing affairs remotely. Both companies invest heavily in securing infrastructure yet adopt divergent methodologies reflecting differing philosophies around control mechanisms. Examining specifics reveals distinctions worth noting, especially given increasing frequency. Sophisticated phishing attempts targeting unsuspecting individuals inadvertently exposing vulnerabilities. Exploitable malicious actors. Encryption standards. AES 256 encryption utilized widely across sectors, including healthcare and government agencies, attests credibility, ensuring compliance. Stringent regulations governing personal identifiable information. PII, disclosures permissible only authorized personnel. Two-factor authentication. Implementing biometric verifications. Paired token generation methods further fortify defenses against brute force attacks attempting gain illicit entry points. Compromising confidential databases housing proprietary materials. Essential day-to-day operations. Cloud-based accessibility features. Adopting hybrid deployment models enables flexibility supporting varied operational requirements spanning mobile accessibility. Mandates portable devices coupled secure network infrastructures necessary, maintaining seamless connectivity irrespective. Geographical locations involved. Real-time collaboration opportunities arise naturally wherever multiple stakeholders require simultaneous modifications. Preserving version histories, accurately documenting changes. Applied chronological order. Transparent audit trails. Traceable back originators responsible initiating revisions accordingly. Cross-platform compatibility. Ensuring consistent performance metrics across iOS/Android ecosystems guarantees uninterrupted experiences. Facilitating remote work arrangements. Increasingly prevalent post-pandemic scenarios reshaping traditional office paradigms permanently. Backup systems. Automated nightly backups guarantee recovery. Protocols activate automatically whenever anomalies detected disrupting normal functioning patterns, jeopardizing data integrity. Concerns arising unforeseen circumstances outside standard operating procedures. Training resources available fostering proficiency amongst staff members hinges largely upon availability. Instructional material encompassing textual manuals alongside interactive simulations simulating realistic situations. Mirroring actual challenges faced. Routine administrative duties performed consistently daily basis. Whether opting self-paced learning paths preferred, independent learners seeking autonomy deciding study hours allocated accordingly. Structured curriculum guided instructors equipped pedagogical expertise caters varied educational backgrounds originating different professions converging towards unified goal mastering fundamentals prerequisite success roles undertaken within field. Video tutorials. Visual demonstrations break down complicated concepts into digestible segments, improving retention rates substantially over written instructions alone, proving particularly effective teaching procedural steps requiring precise timing coordination. Executing successfully first attempt without errors occurring, unnecessarily complicating otherwise straightforward procedures. Online courses. Enrolling formal programs certified authorities validates competencies acquired enhancing career trajectories opening doors higher responsibilities accompanied increased remuneration packages reflective enhanced skill sets cultivated diligently. Client testimonials and industry recognition endorsements garnered industry experts utilizing products regularly inform judgments potential buyers weighing pros cons respective alternatives carefully contemplating implications selecting particular option impact future prospects careers built upon solid foundation trustworthy reliable technology underpinning every successful enterprise regardless size scale ambition level pursued collectively. Independent reviews published reputable publications highlight strengths weaknesses revealed thorough analyses conducted unbiased observers possessing deep understanding niche markets served specifically each product suite serving distinct clientele profiles. Matching particular needs objectives sought achieved ultimately fulfilling expectations exceeded initially anticipated outcomes. Award winnings. Repeated accolades best accounting software honors bestowed esteemed bodies recognize excellence innovation demonstrated consistently superior versions released annually reinforcing brand loyalty established decades demonstrating commitment. Continuous enhancement offerings keeping pace ever-changing technological advancements permeating modern world rapidly evolving digital era we currently inhabit. Case studies. Detailed narratives illustrating transformative impacts experienced adopting specified software solutions underscore practical benefits realized tangible results measurable quantitatively confirming efficacy theories proposed previously. Hypothetical scenarios lacking concrete evidence substantiate claims made promotional literature distributed broadly attracting attention targeted demographics interested exploring possibilities presented enticingly persuasive manner encouraging action taken promptly rather than deferred indefinitely. Future trends influencing development. Trajectories emerging trends shape directions innovations pursue next generations iterations aiming address contemporary issues pressing today's society demanding responsiveness solutions adaptable versatile enough withstand disruptions caused. Unpredictable global events altering norms established prior crises never envisioned would occur suddenly transform entire industries overnight. Artificial intelligence integration promises redefine task automation eliminating mundane chores freeing human capital concentrate strategic initiatives driving growth agendas forward positively impacting bottom lines attributable efficiency gains reducing overhead expenses incurred traditionally associated manual labor-intensive activities previously required completion manually by personnel dedicating significant portions their time performing repetitious actions yielding minimal returns. Relative effort invested. AI integration. Predictive analytics-powered machine learning algorithms anticipate discrepancies, identify irregularities, flagging alerts, prompting investigations, resolving issues proactively instead waiting reactive measures implemented after damage already done irreversibly affecting reputations financial standings affected parties involved inevitably suffering consequences adverse effects ripple throughout supply chains harming relationships forged painstaking efforts cultivated gradually over extended durations cultivating trust mutual respect essential sustainable business relationships thrived longevity depended upon maintained consistently without lapses occurring unpredictably. Blockchain technology. Incorporating decentralized ledgers strengthens transparency verification processes validating transactions immutable records ensuring authenticity unalterable nature characteristics blockchain inherently possess inherent advantages surpassing conventional centralized architectures vulnerable single points failure susceptible breaches exploitation compromising sensitive data stored therein. Conclusion ultimately, The choice between QuickBooks and Xero depends heavily on organizational priorities. Shaping decisions influenced myriad variables determining suitability, specific context, prevailing conditions necessitating optimal selection, balancing trade-offs considered thoroughly beforehand, implementing chosen strategy, confidently pursuing intended goals efficiently, effectively. To ensure alignment between selected toolset desired outcomes, conducting pilot tests, assessing functionality adequacy, meeting initial expectations, verifying scalability, accommodating expansion, future endeavors, becoming prudent measure taking, mitigating risks, inherent change, resisting inertia, favoring tried proven methods, already established track record, demonstrable successes, documented publicly accessible venues, scrutinized independently, unbiased evaluations, contributing informed perspectives, guiding final determinations wisely.